You're trying to do everything right. You've improved your nutrition. You're drinking more water, trying supplements, trying to support your body. But despite all of that, your body still feels stuck. And eventually people begin thinking, maybe my body just doesn't respond anymore. But that's usually not true. What's often missing is clearance, not aggressive detoxing, not extreme cleansing, basic biological clearance. Your body is constantly processing waste from metabolism, from inflammation, from stress. And it relies on specific systems to remove that waste. The liver, the kidneys, the digestive system, the lymphatic system, the skin. These systems work continuously to keep the internal environment stable. But when they become sluggish or overwhelmed, waste begins accumulating faster than it leaves. And when that happens, the system becomes congested. Inflammation lingers. Energy gets diverted. Cells become stressed. Repair slows down. Most people respond by adding more supplements, more protocols, more stimulation. But overloaded systems often don't need more input. They need more capacity. This is one of the biggest mindset shifts in healing. Healing is not just about adding. It's about creating the conditions that allow the body to restore itself naturally. And that process takes sequence, hydration, structure, energy, safety, then clearance, then repair. Most people want the final outcome immediately, but biology does not skip the process required to create lasting results. And this is where patience matters, not passive waiting, active restoration. Because when the body begins clearing properly again, everything changes. Inflammation reduces, energy stabilizes, the body becomes lighter. Repair processes begin switching on. Your body is not failing, it is adapting. And once the process is respected, healing becomes possible again. Comment, sequence, if this finally makes sense, and follow for the next stage of the healing process.